Hi, Assalamualaikum and have a nice day. I'm Ahmad Mukhlis from Section 2 Computer Programming class by Dr. Muhamad Zaini bin Yunos. Today I want to present on the individual project about the mechanic of machine. So here we go and let's see my project. Let's go to the introduction. So basically my introduction is about gears and mechanism. So gears is basically a rotating machine to alter the relation between the speed of driving mechanism and also the end speed of the driven parts. So the gear ratio N we define as whereby is the ratio of the speed of the driver gear to the driven gear with this relationship equation. So this relationship equation is based on the speed, based on the number of teeth, the diameter, and also its angular acceleration. So for the problem statement, I divided my problem statement into two. The first one, we calculate the simple gear train, that is the gear ratio, or we call as velocity ratio. The second one is the compound gear train. We calculate the RPM, that is revolution per minute. So the objective of this individual project is the first one, to apply the theory and also knowledge of the programming into the real life problems such as this mechanic of machine. The second one is to create one programming that meet requirement and learn more, understand about the programming, especially C programming. So here is my problems based on this question. So this one example of the question about the gear ratio. So this one is the first one. This one is the second one, and this one is the last one for the gear ratio. So for the next one is for compound gear train. This is the first question, and the next one is the second question. Right, this is second question. Now we will go on to the flow chart. So here I show you the main flow chart. Because I got here two topics, so I got two options of the flow chart. So the first one we start, and the second one I display the gear system. Next I display the type of question. The simple question, the first one is the simple gear train, that is gear ratio, and the second one is the compound gear train, that is calculating RPM. So next one I display to choose this topic about either one. So if I choose one here, so the program will go to the X side, it is my left hand side. So this one will display a simple gear train, gear ratio, and if I choose other than one, means 2, it will go to this part. I will display compound gear train to calculate the RPM. Now we go to the sub flow chart for the option 1. So here from there I display the gear A is driver gear and the gear B is driven gear. I have stated which is the driver and which is the driver first. Next I set the value for A. A means the gear A is 60. So when gear A is really equals to 60, means we will go to this process here. So the first one will display the number of teeth of the gear A, that is here. Number of teeth of the gear A is 60 because I related this one to the 60, right? So when I put the value of the teeth of gear B is 30. So when it is equals to 30, the process will go on continue and display the number of teeth of the gear B. Right. So next one I go to the process. This one is the operation. A Teeth A is teeth A divided by teeth B, then the teeth B divided teeth B equals to teeth B equals divided by teeth B. This is for this one. So then display the ratio of the gear, the gear here, right? And then we display the which is how many revolution of the driver and how many revolution of the driven gear, right? So if after that we have the increment, so and after the increment the statement is here is not true, that we go to that, we go to the here A++, will increase one value from 60 to 61, then then go to the A value A is 25. Then the process will continue until it reach here A20. When it is not equal to 20, then the process will end here. Right? Okay, here is my second subflow chart for compound gear turn and also calculating the RPM. So for this one, I have set the value of teeth of gear A is 20, gear B is 60, and the gear C is 10 teeth. So I adjust the value here. R is equals to 60 RPM for the gear A. So when the value of the gear A is 60, then means the statement is true. We'll go to the display. So display revolution of gear A is 60 in a clockwise direction. Next, we will go to the operation. Next, we will go to the displaying the gear B, but it's on the anti-clockwise direction. So this one is the process. Until the last one, we got the answer that will display the gear C is how many RPM in the clockwise direction, right? So here we'll go until the process here until R is not equal to 90, and then the process will end, right? So here is my project. Next, I will show you the coding of the programming and also some slides on the conclusion of my project, right? So enjoy my slide and thank you.